Never put these foods in the microwave, otherwise you won't even know how you died. Eggs. Microwave ovens may cause eggs to burst or even cause a hot burst. Therefore, it is not recommended to microwave hard-boiled eggs. Paper packaging foods. Some paper packaging may contain metal or contain bleach and chemicals. Heating in the microwave may release harmful substances. Cheese. Cheese tends to heat unevenly in the microwave, and some parts tend to overheat or burn. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons. Citrus fruits may have metallic or substance golden properties on their surface. Microwave heating can cause sparks or pose a hazard. Food in metal containers. Metal is the conductive material of the microwave oven, the wavelength of the microwave oven, and if food containing metal is placed in the microwave oven, it may cause a fire or short circuit. Follow me to learn more health knowledge. Forward this video to someone you care about.